That's why I get that go out with the video. Why? I them something. I can't even talk. Me nah lie, you know. She firm doing a dog. That just sit on the wall her body, you know, dog. It just boom. It just sit on it. Baby. What's up, people? Hold on, let me get the light in the right way. That look better. Turn it up a little bit. What's up, YouTube? It's your boy Tyrekevlogs, aka the Reaction Boss, people. And see, if it's your first time here, I want to welcome you all to the madness. Okay, welcome to the family. Over here, we're very lit. We post videos every single day. People, if you're new, subscribe and touch the bell to get our notifications because we post every day and we post on-time reactions. If a song drop today, it'll drop today. So right now we have Masicka, goddamn viral video. Not official music video, no. It's a viral video. Anyways, people, I want to comment on the video if you see a name or hear a comment in my next video I'm going to post. Yeah, me do that. You see some right so? Yeah. Yeah, man, I'm going to post every day to if you did new. And if you're there a long time and you know the routine, no, like up the video. My Christopher can get 50 likes on the video by tomorrow. You see me, I say right now I go for 100 likes too. And if I go for it, because I know someone run up likes from one day. Thank you for your support. When I think about chat too much, you know. My Christopher the girl that go on bad in that video. It name goddamn. So my Christopher the girls that go on bad as you can see the energy there. You see me, I say, don't run through now, man. Goddamn. What? Okay. Goddamn. Well, on the man, goddamn. Why the camera moves so in the first place? What is? It's like one cat. Why the camera moves so in the first place? And I see a big ticker stood up in front of my face. Why? You see when I talk so fast and bumble about things I'm saying that. Why big tickers stood up in front of my face? Like what kind of talking that, Tyreek? But anyways, why? Look. Yo, Masicka not you, she. Masicka, miss someone wants to the bait. Goddamn, well, let me get position and come back. For all who knew, I'm going to show you the position. I'm a sexy girl, you know. A sexy piece of girl, man. Yeah, man. But I have position right now. See her there? Position there. You don't know the pause boss, reaction boss, and me them call so. Position, man. Yeah, man. Get her set. I'm going to see what I'm going for the beginning of the video now. 3 minutes and 16 seconds worth of video for watching now. Alright. Run tune. Wow. Well, I know my want to see her. First of all, I see her boobs them. That look fakey. That look fakey, man. Why the boobs them look so fake? But I want to say, goddamn, they had faces. Patty them up at taste. The man say, act like the patty them up at tasties. Right now, the first me hear the song still in there. You see me, I never hear the song yet. Like a today job. A today come out, me know. Yeah, a new song. New song and new video. Masicka bad them with it. Yeah. But anyways, after them look fake. But me still would have squeezed them up, though. I would have squeezed them up. Pumbo now, man, I sweat already. I just start the reaction that you don't even know. Run it here, man. Yeah. Wallan. Oh, she there? Go back. Go. Why? We wine. Oh, me catch her, man. Turn the phone upside down. Oh, yeah, mate. Turn the phone upside down. You see, better look on the camera right there, so. Turn the phone upside down. What? I'm turning back so now. What? What you? Hey girl, hey, that girl that bad. Let me get her Instagram, please, quick and fast. Hold on, I'm kind of hot. Me a sweat, dog. Hold on, I'm not in front of the camera. Hold on, me a forward. I'm not going nowhere, no, me a forward. Me a forward, the people. Me a forward, man. Hold on. Oh, man. Aye. John, no, I did that a while ago, man. I did that sweat, dog. Reaction boss did that sweat a while ago, people. Let me say. Right now, run tune. Boy! I that more and catch. 19, let me say that 18 seconds. I that more and catch. Oh, yeah, blood clot. You think more to catch you? I'm bad them with them. Never hear about Tyrekevlogs. Tell her about me now, please. Tell her about me there. Yo, shout out to the Paradise Bike. As you may say, if you're interested in a bike life from Jamaica, Biggest thing at Jamaica in a bike vlogging. Go check him out. The man bad. Big up on yourself. Anyways, forward now. So, she thinks I'm going to catch her, people. Me catch your blood knuckle out now. I'm going to walk go on. People are this much for them, for the girls them. No, Masicka, I don't want to see it. Like, you know, deafening up. I don't want to see the girls them in the video, dog. And the money I'm most of grime with the thing, dog. I come up to see the beam, Masicka, not you. Mosquito. That they used to call you, dog. Run June. Yeah. She body. She body. Like you don't pick up one of them from. Hold on, she have one. Hey, don't run put it in. Who is that? Yo, me a forward there. Me a forward there. One of them, come in, fast. Me make a video, fast. Sit down here, so me a fast. Sit down. Me make a video real quick. In the process right now. You can't sit down, dog. Alright, people, you me a say no man. It's like say yo, that one a fake. It's like say no fake. What me I say? Like she not have one, nothing there, so dog. You see me? But anyways, I run through. Over. No sir. And where Masicka can find that be you from? You the pool out my dog? Yeah. John will start. To the heart, don't it? That's why I'm soon forward. I look at turn on the game, you know. I'm soon make. I buy one game in the dog, you know see that? Pay for it? Yeah, dog. You see me? But hold on, I'm soon forward. Hold on, I'm trying to finish the video. Let's try to finish the video first. Alright, people, hear me I say no man. That be ya. She turn good, I lie me I tell. If I lie me I tell, man. If me I lie, comment line in the comment section. If I true, just like the video. Run tune door. What? Some man go from ice cream truck. Let's me feel ice cream truck him find that be in her something, you know. I know it's look like a little fake man. I throw dolly pan her. Like, you know when you're taboo, you get a little $100 bill, $50 bill, you know what I mean? But I like a US money I throw upon her right, that's still in the dam. Nah lie. She turn good. No. She stay good, man. Could go some more nice song, no man. Right. The man for make the freakiness in the data. We can face down from the pillar while I watch your ass. John, oh, she in the ears. She bad, me nah lie. Well, go through a little bit. She know what she a do when she do them things here, because she knows me I watch a video, you know. Right now, there's some want to see her, you know. Right, there's another position, right, there's you know. The right way that for whole her, you know. You see me I say, when the whole line of them way the dog. You see me? Young man. Me I talk to the people about the girl right now. You see me say after us? Yeah. You enough to learn the game? You enough to use a game, dog? Oh God. No, not the TV. No, I'm not wearing the TV. I make a video. Yeah. Anyways, run through. Mommy that a short talk like Bill water rate. A mansion fear, some crisp back again, some crisp on my belly we do this cause I video going too bad now people like the editor like you know want me to too much. The editor go with something you know want me to something like. Watch it. You know what I see what really I go on. So if it's spiteful like me I go slow motion the video people. On a different level, me I go slow motion the video. I want to see that, I now miss it. All them camera tricks up me with them one I do. Bombardos. Yeah, them I go see it, man. It's a screen record in that. Yo, all them something what them do, yo. Look awkward now, yesterday. Why are one girl them having at the video? Alright, bless. Oh yeah, the cut? Alright, now let's. Me now when get that beer from that like a one girl. But anyways, run tune. Yeah man, I can circle back in like 15 minutes, you see me? How many I do again? Good riddance. You see me? I say, I'm looking virgin them in the dog. But the man circle me the wrong time. I'm there searching for measure be a dog. Right now, the video got up on a different level right now. We know still watching, you know. Big up on yourself if you still watching. You don't know the chap already, you know. But I don't know things that dog. Come get my half guard, bro. That me go build up my call the energy right now. Alright, ready now. Goddamn, them faces. Taste this. Hear the chorus again. Once voice again, I go out with the video. Why? I them something. I can't even talk. Me nah lie, you know. She firm doing a dog. That just sit on the whole her body, you know, dog. It just boom. It just sit on it. Baby, find me Tyrekevlogs on Instagram. Run it. Brenda, big spender. Mommy daughter gone while she surrender. Woman enough like I. Oh God, as him said that mommy daughter gone while she surrender. Imagine how free her mother feel if you see her daughter in her video go on with them things, dog. And then imagine how she feel if you see me and react to the video with her daughter go on so bad, dog. Mommy, me feel a pain. I'm sorry. I'm sorry, but your daughter gone. I'm sorry, don't know, mommy. But your daughter just broke out. You see me, I say, tonight every girl at on a devil. On a dirty freak to the jungle. Decent girl, got in a go-go. In a manager. You see me, I say, but I guess what? Masicka bust in her head. Wow. Run tune. Oh, please, a big song, dog. Yo, please, I don't want to think about the song down in the comment section. Want to think about the song and the video. The video go on, you know. But Masicka could have some more girl in the video, dog. No joke right there, sir, brother. But the video go with a bag of chips, people. If I'm lying, I'm dying. The video go on. That girl is bad. I want bad go. Look, watch her. I want bad go. The only thing she shot at right now, watch it. She firm, she got everything. You see me? I want bad go. The only thing she shot at right now on the dog, I want pole. You get a girl that want pole, brother, and she done the place right now, dog. No music video I want, yo. You see if she get one pole, the video that trend number one instantly. Now trend number one now, you know. But I got trend number one eventually, you know. But me I say, if she get one pole, as you post it trend number one. I saw that girl bad. You see me, I say, I'm if you watch the video to that part, I guess I'm more to the comment. You know the crocodile emoji there? Drop it down in the comment section. Anyway, you still watch the video to that part, drop the crocodile emoji down in the comment section. Right there, so. Right down in that part there, the comment, run that part there, run that plate. Alright, run it through. Goddamn, dead faces. Up at taste this. Nah, like I said, when me that video, Masicka, I get some bumbo cleats, pankas, some slap on the drawers. Pause it, sha. I go. Goddamn, dead faces. You know, if I mess the bumbo neat, that mess what am I say? Another chorus, the goddamn dead faces. I'm only talk about it, dog. Never did that message in the dog. I mess it right now, I'm only talk about it because I know it's a new song too. Yeah, man, that video bad, man. I go through a little bit. I don't know, so the video kind of too long now, 3 long now. You see me, I say, watch, I see the $5,000 dead faces nanny. Man, you something I would have on the $5,000 bill. But no, no. I'm just know right now. Run tune. Fresh shoes, fresh lace. Pussy them and try keep up that race. Hey, me nah lie. No man, you that girl a bad. You know something I watch more that video. That girl a too bad. I got through the video, so I go on the last half of the video. But that girl a too bad for me, dog. Something for proof. Me have something for proof. Something black and more powerful. Tell them fuck the rules. Something black and more powerful. All you start rapping a part of tune. That you do right now. The levels, man. Run tune. Song done, buckle bells. You know, once I'm going on a treat, then if I data go on. If I data go on, I have to do this now. Style of me. If I data go on, then the people don't know this thing going. If I data go on right now, I say. Bang. And if you watch the video to the end, want to comment the image. Big up yourself. Subscribe to the channel if you don't know. You see me, I say, vote for Tyrekevlogs, the reaction boss. You see me, I say, or the pause boss. Don't know the comment section, but comment image if you watch the video to the end. I'm going to show it to you personally in my next video. Big up.